and we are in front of an CI Alcove camper, and we shall be looking at the specs and the actual spec list of this Horon 79 with the actual price specs of 67,450 euros, seats 6 and sleeps 8 people. Nice big camper. And checking first the actual storage unit, you can have another additional bed here, so you have two pretty wide, almost two people sleeping, or actually big storage unit that's also pretty wide. From the inside we have about 2 meters and 17 centimeters, and the actual wideness of about 1.3 meters. And I will be entering inside this wide camper with a long, large bag alcove on top, and also there are 3 big cabinets on the upper part, the standard Fiat Ducato chassis, and then from this side we have some big cabinet inside, nice, wide, and also with heating, and another storage unit right there. Sitting place for comfortable 4 people, wide kitchen with 2 big large cabinets on top, and then another large 143 liters fridge with almost a double bed on this side. Let's measure it so we have a pretty understanding about the size. It's about 1.3 meters in the widest part and 2 meters and 20 long. So, and also we have another bed right down there, pretty large. And then a big bathroom with Thetford cassette toilet, storage unit, and the separate shower unit with a sink. Getting out with a wide look and accenting this pretty well laid out camper, getting a look from the outside.